special, a song will always adore. She used her voice to fight tyranny. Stuck to her gun, so don't enemy, don't get to me. Her music was unique and her voice was never weak. Bully, Kayla, no me ganja, my black president. Young black African, proud to be South African. This is dedication to the old generation, our biggest inspiration. Let's unite, no separating. Clean our reputation for this love we're celebrating. I'm a skr and I represent my brother.